4. Cicada 3301, the Internet's greatest mystery. In 2012, a cryptic message appeared online. White text, black background.
Hello, we are looking for highly intelligent individuals. To find them, we have devised a test.
Signed, 3301. What followed was unlike anything the Internet had seen before. A global puzzle, blending cryptography, steganography, classical texts, and even physical posters hidden in cities around the world. Thousands tried. Only a handful succeeded. They claimed to be contacted directly. And then, silence. The puzzles returned in 2013, again in 2014, and then, nothing.